Okay, all of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision number 2 of chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. This is the last revision. Now let us see what topics we have already completed. We have completed comparing numbers, ascending and descending numbers, building numbers, reading and writing large numbers, and word problems. And today we are going to complete the two left out topics, that is estimation and roundoff and Roman numbers, and one topic or which is not important with respect to examination point of view, that use of bracket. Okay, वो भी एक छोटा सा पार्ट में रिवाइज कर देता हूँ. So let us start with the estimation and rounding off. So number can be round off to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, nearest 10,000, or any other desired place. So number can be rounded up by using some rules. Okay, so we'll see one by one rule. So rule number 1, if the digit to the right of the rounding place is 5 or greater, then round up by adding 1. ठीक है, 5 या 5 से बड़ा डिजिट है जिस प्लेस पे हम लोग राउंड अप कर रहे हैं उसके राइट साइड में. ओके, देन यू हैव टू ऐड 1 to the digit at the rounding place and changing the remaining digits to the right of its to zeros. उसके बाद सारे digits को zero कर देना है. Okay, so I will explain one by one with the examples. Rule number 2, if the digit to the right of the rounding place is less than 5, then round down by changing the digits to the right of the rounding place to zeros. ठीक है, सो वहाँ पे उस प्लेस में कुछ नहीं करना, बाकी सारे डिजिट्स को जीरो कर देना. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन, एस्टिमेटिंग अ नंबर टू द नियरेस्ट 10. ऑलरेडी रूल नंबर 1, रूल नंबर 2 में हम लोग देखें, फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ. नियरेस्ट 10 के लिए वी हैव टू सी द राइट साइड प्लेस, दैट इज यूनिट प्लेस. अगर यूनिट प्लेस में 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा है तो वी हैव टू राउंड अप. ठीक है, और यूनिट प्लेस में अगर 5 से लेस है तो राउंड डाउन. राउंड डाउन मीन्स बाकी राइट साइड में सब में जीरो करना है. सो विल सी वन एग्जांपल. राउंड ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स टू द नियरेस्ट 10. 573 is the first number. Okay, and now we have to round up 10's place, so we have to see the unit place. ठीक है, 10's place को राउंड अप करना है तो यूनिट प्लेस को हम लोग को देखना है कि वो 5 या 5 से बड़ा है कि नहीं. सो यहाँ पे 3 इज लेस देन 5, सो वी हैव टू राउंड डाउन, उसको जीरो करना पड़ेगा, रिप्लेस बाय जीरो. सो एंड द 10th प्लेस डिजिट्स यू हैव टू लीव एज इट इज, उसको वैसे ही रखना है, मतलब यू हैव टू लीव अनचेंज्ड, राइट. सो राउंडिंग ऑफ एट 10 वी विल गेट 570. Now we'll see the second one, 635. Now 635 we are going to round up 10th place. So unit place देखेंगे 5, which is equals to 5. So we have to round up the 10th place. So यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम लोग, we have to add 1, right? और बाकी digits को replace करेंगे 0 के साथ में. So after rounding up, we are going to get 640. So this is the final answer for the second one. Now we'll see the third one, 807. So यहाँ पे unit place में 7 है, which is greater than 5. Okay, so we have to round up the 10th place, that is adding 1. ठीक है, so अगर add 1 करते हैं तो ये 1 हो जाएगा, बाकी इसको 0 करना है. So we'll get 810. 810 is the final answer, right? So this is the example of estimating a number to the nearest 10. Now we'll see how to estimate to nearest 100. So 100 को round up करने के लिए we have to see the unit place digit, 10th place digit, उसके right side वाला. ठीक है, अगर 10th place digit 5 या 5 से बड़ा है, if it is 5 more equal to 5 or more than 5, then we have to round up the 100 place. Right? If it is less than, then we have to round down all the numbers to 0. Okay, and we have to leave the 100 place digit as it is, unchanged. We'll see one example. See 3482. So we have to round up 100 place. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, टेंस प्लेस डिजिट को देखेंगे. नाउ हियर द टेंस प्लेस डिजिट इज 8 विच इज ग्रेटर दैन 5. सो वी हैव टू राउंड अप द 100 प्लेस. यहाँ पे ऐड करना पड़ेगा 1, राइट. सो ये 5 से बड़ा है, सो यहाँ पे 1 ऐड करेंगे और बाकी नंबर्स को 0 रिप्लेस करेंगे, दिस टू नंबर्स. सो विल गेट 3500. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. Okay, so now we'll see few more examples for estimating a number to the nearest 100. Rounding off each of the following numbers to the nearest 100. So we'll take the first number. See, nearest 100 place के right side में tens place है, so we have to see tens place, that is 4. 4 is less than 5. So we have to round down the other two digits by 0. Okay. And we have to leave the 100 place unchanged. So we'll get 5700. This is the final answer. Now we'll see the next question, 6953. Here the tens place digit is 5. So I told you if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, then we have to round up. So round up means 100 place में 1 ऐड करेंगे, तो 69 है ये एक्चुअल में. अगर 1 ऐड करते हैं तो ये 70 हो जाएगा, 70, और बाकी को वी हैव टू रिप्लेस इट विथ 0. ठीक है. सो विल गेट 7000 एज राउंडिंग ऑफ टू 100. नाउ विल सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 8074. हियर 100 प्लेस डिजिट इज 0 एंड टेंस प्लेस डिजिट इज 7 विच इज मोर देन 1. सो वी हैव टू राउंड अप द 100 प्लेस, दैट इज 0 में 1 ऐड करना है और बाकी सारे डिजिट्स को 0 करना है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट 8100 एज द फाइनल आंसर. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द एग्जांपल्स रिलेटेड विद एस्टिमेटिंग अ नंबर टू द नियरेस्ट 1000. सो 1000 के प्लेस को राउंड अप करने के लिए वी हैव टू सी द 100 प्लेस डिजिट. ठीक है. सेम रूल फॉर 100 प्लेस डिजिट. इफ इट इज इक्वल टू 5 और मोर देन 5, then we have to round up the 1000 place and change other place by 0. If it is less than, if the 100 place digit is less than 5, then we have to make all the digits 0 without adding 1 to the 1000 place. We'll see example. Suppose we have 7693 and we have to round up this place, 1000 place. So 100 place देखेंगे 6, which is more than 5, right? तो 100,000 प्लेस को हम लोग राउंड अप करेंगे, we will add 1 and बाकी सारे डिजिट्स को 0 करेंगे. So we'll get 8000. Okay, few examples we will see. Round off each of the given numbers to the nearest 1000. 5392. So let us start with the first question. 5392. 100 place is 3, which is less than 5. So हम लोग 1000 place को कुछ नहीं करेंगे, राउंड अप नहीं करेंगे. As it is, we will leave unchanged and other numbers we will make it 0. Right? So we'll get 5000. We'll get 5000. Next, 43,568. So यहाँ पे 1000 place में 3 है और 100 place हम लोग को देखना है, which is 5. Right? So we have to round up the 1000 place and the other place we have to make it 0. Right? So what we are going to get? 44,000. This is the final answer. Now the last question, 29,732. यहाँ पे भी 100 place को देखेंगे. 100 place is 7, which is greater than 5. So we have to round up the 1000 place. तो 29 में हम लोग को 1 ऐड करना है. So it will become 30. And we have to make all the digits to the right side of the 1000 0. So finally we'll get 30,000. Okay. So now we are moving toward the next topic, use of bracket. Right? So use of brackets. Let us write an expression for 5 multiplied by the sum of 6 and 7. अगर हम लोग उसको ऐसा लिखेंगे, 5 multiplied means into by the sum of 6 plus 7, तो यहाँ पे ये एक्सप्रेशन गलत हो जाएगा. क्योंकि बोधमास का रूल क्या कहता है, एडिशन से पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट. 5 into 6, 30 plus 7, 37 हो जाएगा. So this is wrong actually. So here we required some use of bracket here. Okay, there is a need to use bracket such as here. If you use bracket, we write the above expression as 5 into within bracket 6 plus 7. So first sum पहले bracket solve करना है, उसके बाद 5 से into करना है. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 into 5 is 65. So 65 is the correct answer. Okay, so we'll see few more example. Solve the following using bracket. Okay, so first one 8 into 105. So 105 we can write 100 plus 5. Now we will open the bracket. इसको distributive law बोलते हैं. 8 into 100 plus 8 into 5. Right, and this will become 800 and this will become 40. So 800 plus 40, that is 840. Now the next question, 203 plus into 107. So first what we will do, 107 को हम लोग 100 plus 7 लिखेंगे. Now see 203 into 100, 203 into 7. Okay, again what we will do, we will write 203 as 200 plus 3 in both the terms. अब इसको राइट से लेफ्ट की ओर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. ध्यान से देखो, 200 into 100 plus 3 into 100, 200 into 7 plus 3 into 7. So this will become 20,000 and this will become 300, this will become 1,400 and this will become 21. If you add, you will get 21,721. This is the final answer. Now the last one. First we will solve the bracket. 12, 3 into 12 we will solve. 36 minus 11, 25. So 25 is the final answer. Okay. We'll see one more question from try this. Write the expression for each of the following using brackets. 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. So 9 and 2 we will write within the bracket. Multiplied means 4, 4 multiplied means 4 into within bracket 9 plus 2. So this is the answer. Next one, divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. So what we will do, we will write the difference between 18 and 6, that is 18 minus 6 within the bracket, now divided by 4. This is division symbol. Okay, तो यहाँ पे स्कूल में font size नहीं है, ये font नहीं है इसलिए क्वेश्चन मार्क आ रहा है. दिस इज डिवीजन 4. 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. Sum of 3 and 2 means 3 plus 2. 3 times means 3 into 3 plus 2. So that we are going to divide 45 by that number. So here also 45 divided by, this is division. Okay, 3 times 3 plus 2. Okay, so now we are moving toward the next topic. So next topic, Roman numerals. So there are several systems of reading and writing numbers used by different civilization in the world. One of the system is Roman numeral system. In this system, numerals are written by using symbols like I, V, X, L, C, D, M. We use Roman numerals in some special situations, like symbols for hours in a clock, symbols for indicating chapter numbers in a book, etc. It is strange that Romans, when they invented Roman numeral system, did not think of a symbol to represent 0. So Roman system does not have a symbol for 0. Okay, so now we'll see which number, which symbol is for which value, is used for which value. Okay, so reading and writing Roman numerals. So letters of the English alphabets are assigned to express Roman numerals. Like I we use for 1, V we use for 5, X we use it for 10, L we use it for 50, and C we use it for 100, D we use it for 500, and M we use it for 1000. So we can write any number using the combination of these symbols. There is no symbol for 0 in the Roman system, and also it does not use the concept of place value, right? So now let us discuss about some rules for writing any number in the Roman system. So first rule, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. जैसे I को हम लोग दो बार रिपीट करेंगे, so 1 + 1 2 हो जाएगा. अगर x को we will repeat 2 times, then it will become x plus x, that is 10 plus 10 20. Okay, examples. Suppose I. So the number is added, one number is added 3 times, so we'll get 3. Okay, x. So 10 number added 3 times, we'll get 30. C for 100, so 100 added 2 times, we'll get 200. M. So M is used for 1000. So if 1000 is added 2 times, we'll get 2000. Now the second rule, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. We cannot use 4x for 40, right? But the symbols V, L, D are never repeated. V को हम लोग कभी भी 10 के लिए हम लोग V नहीं लिखते हैं. Similarly 100 के लिए हम लोग L को L नहीं लिखते हैं. 50 plus 50, right? For 1000 we will never repeat D. 500 plus 500. Okay. So now the third rule is, if a symbol of smaller value is written to its right of the symbol of the greater value, then its value get added to the value of greater symbol. जैसे V के बाद में हम लोग I लिखते हैं तो add होगा, ठीक है. अगर हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड लिखते हैं तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. वो फोर्थ रूल में देखेंगे हम लोग. सी VI, छोटा जो सिंबल है, सी स्मॉल सिंबल we have it is written in the on the right side of this greater value, so we have to add 5 plus 1, that is 6. Similarly, if we write XI, so 10 plus 1 11. Now if we write LXVI, देखो ये हो गया 6 और 10 के बाद 6 आ रहा है, तो 16 हो गया. और दिस इज 50 के बाद हम लोग 16 यूज किए हैं, तो 15 plus 60, right? So 66. How we will write? 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1, so it is 66. Now the rule for, if we write on the left side, we have to subtract. ठीक है, just now I told, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. See example I4. So greater के left side में हम लोग 1 लिखें, तो क्या करेंगे? इसका मतलब क्या है? 5 minus 1, that is 4. IX 10 minus 1, that is 9. XL 50 minus 10, that is 40. XC 100 minus 10, that is 90. ठीक है, these are few examples. Now the symbols V, ध्यान से सुनो, this is very important. Symbol V, L, D are never written to the left of the greater value, that is V, L, D are never subtracted. We cannot subtract V, L, D from its greater value. Okay, तो ये याद रखना है कि V, L, D हम लोग कभी भी लेफ्ट साइड में यूज नहीं करते. And the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. We cannot write I with L, I with C. Only we can write along with V and X. And the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. We cannot subtract it from other greater values like D. Okay. So with the help of the symbols I, V, X, L, C, we can write numbers up to 399 easily. चलो अभी हम लोग 1 to, अभी कोई भी नंबर लिखने के लिए हम लोग को 1 to 9 लिखने आना चाहिए और सारे टेंस लिखने आना चाहिए. So we can write any number. चलो सबसे पहले 1. 1 मीन्स 1 आई, ठीक है, एक आई लिख देंगे तो हो जाएगा. सेकेंड 2 आई, थर्ड 3 आई, 1, and fourth we cannot repeat I 4 times, so what we will do, 5 minus 1, that is I V, and 5 is V, and 6 is 5 plus 1, and 7 is 5 plus 1 plus 1, and 8 is 5 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now we cannot repeat more than 3 times for 9. So what we are going to do? 10 minus 1. Okay, fine. So we got this one. ठीक है? तो ध्यान से देखो, ये मिल गया हम लोग को. Now tens. Tens. So 10 means 1x. 20 means 2x. 30 means 3x, x, x, x. Now we cannot repeat more than 3 times. So what we will do? 50 minus 40. 50 minus 10. Right? 50 is L. Now for 60 LX. 70 LX, X. For 80 L, X, X, X. And for 90 we cannot repeat X more than 3 times. So what we will do? 100 minus 10. So XC. And C is 100. Now see, if we know this one, you can write any numbers. For example, suppose 24 we have to write. So 20 plus 4 means XXI4. Suppose we want to write 59. So 59. Suppose we want to write 88. So 88. So what we have to write? LXXX VIII. Right? In this way we can write up to 399 using this one. Okay. So now we are going to see few examples. Write the following numeral, following in Roman numerals. 52. 52 means 50 plus 2. Okay. 50 means L. And 2 means II. So LII. Next 44. 44 how we will write? 40 plus 4. 40 हम लोग अभी देखे थे, XL था और 4I4. So ये दोनों को हम लोग एक साथ लिखेंगे. Next is 85. 80 we can write 80 plus 5. 80 is LXXX and 5 is V. So दोनों को एक साथ लिखेंगे. Next number is 49. 49 we can write 40 plus 9. 40 is XL and 9 is IX. So ये दोनों हम लोग एक साथ लिखेंगे. So we'll get this one. Now the last one is 99. 90 plus 9. 90 हम लोग देखे थे XC and 9 is IX. So we will write together these two. So XCIX. Right? Now we'll see few more examples. The reverse process. Roman to Hindu Arabic numerals, that is numbers, our natural numbers. First is XLV. So we will write XL plus V. XL is nothing but this is 40 and this is 5. So 40 plus 5 is 45. And the next number is LXIII. ठीक है, इसको कैसे करेंगे? L plus X plus 3. So this is 50 plus 10 plus 3. So we'll get 63. ऐसे स्प्लिट करके लिखोगे तो कभी गलती नहीं करोगे. नेक्स्ट वन LXXVI. सो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? LXX plus VI. So L is 50, XX is 20 and this is 6. So we'll get 76. Now the second last XCII. So XC क्योंकि यहाँ पे छोटा जो सिंबल है वो बड़े वाले के लेफ्ट साइड में, इसलिए इसको एक साथ लिखेंगे XC plus II. And this is 90 and this is 2. So 92. And the last one, 30 plus 8, that is 38, right? And this is the last question of this second revision. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.